everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy Amazon e-gift card. It's super easy and very quick. All you have to do is go to amazon.com on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on their homepage, there are a couple of ways to find the gift card. You can find them in your home page, but if you don't, then no worries. All you have to do is click all menu and then scroll down, go to program and features, then click on see all. Then again scroll down and see there is gift card. Click them and click all gifts. So this will take you to Amazon's main gift card page where you will see various type of gift cards, and for email delivery we will select this. And now for the fun part, you can customize your gift. So you will see a variety of design for different occasion, like any one if you like. So pick the one that suits the one you want to send the gift, and decide how much you want to put on the gift card. Amazon usually provides a preset like $25, $50, $75, $100, or you can also enter the customized account, the amount, and if you have like a specific number in your mind, and you can send up to $5 to $2,000. And you can also scroll down and see you can deliver it by email or text messages, and you can also have to put the person you want to give it to, and you can also customize your gift messages. And you scroll down and you see there is a delivery date. You can deliver it right now, or you can put a specific date if you want. Now scroll up and all you have to do is add to cart, or you can buy now. So once you select it, you will then be taken to your shopping cart or directly to the checkout page. So complete your purchase using your preferred payment method on file with Amazon, their debit card or credit card. After your payment is processed, all you have to do is you will receive an order confirmation, and the person you want to gift it will get an email with the gift card on the specific delivery date. I hope this video was helpful, and it's really an easy and thoughtful way to give a gift that anyone can enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in my next video.